All right, so we are still setting up our new Focus website, and I just want to take a second to introduce you to an option that you're probably not going to use, but you may need it, and it's called footer scripts. And so right now we're looking at the thesis admin. We're going to go to the site submenu, and we're going to click on footer scripts. Okay, now this is just a simple form field where you can input JavaScripts. You could input some sort of tracking pixel. Basically, any HTML you want, you can enter here. But the whole point of this is to have it output just before the closing body tag in your HTML documents. So I'll show you what that looks like. So we're going to view the page source. We'll scroll down. Here is the closing body tag at the very bottom. From a performance perspective, if you're going to include scripts on your site, such as JavaScript, jQuery, stuff that, scripts generally pretty verbose and take some time to process, and so it is better from a performance perspective to load those things up at the bottom of the HTML document. That way, all this content and stuff is going to appear, and then the scripts are going to load to add whatever behavioral dynamic stuff they're going to add to your website. So the whole point of footer scripts, it's sort of a legacy thing. This used to be the case more, 8-10 years ago than it is today, but it used to be the case that with plugins or any sort of integrations, they wanted you to stick some scripts in your footer, which is really the bottom of the HTML document, and this is an easy way to do that. I've seen some little tracking pixels or eye tracking stuff. If you're going to be integrating anything like this, like A/B testing scripts, that kind of thing, this is a suitable area to include that. But like I said, I don't actually use this on any of my sites anymore. There are some things I might want to do where I would maybe use this, but the bottom line is I'm not using this right now. The odds that you're going to need to use them are not very high, but that is the intent of the footer scripts box that you have access to with Thesis and Focus. All right, see you in the next video.